LD, go for launch.
SpaceX launched its second mission in one day from the East Coast as it launched a Falcon 9 from Slick 40 at Cape Canaveral this afternoon.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, engines full power, and liftoff of Starlink. Go Starlink, go Falcon.
The rocket had a payload of 22 Starlink satellites to be added to the constellation.
Vehicle supersonic. Max Q.
Go.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Both vehicles are on nominal trajectory.
After first stage separation, the booster landed on the drone recovery ship A Shortfall of Gravitas.
Stage 1 landing burn. Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And shortly afterwards, the second stage reached orbital insertion.
And back shutdown.
Another successful SpaceX launch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.